Okay, good day guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now to those that are yet to subscribe, if you have not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So yesterday we did analysis for our GBPJPY for today. We talked about GBPJPY giving us a bullish move for today. I told you guys that at least we should be able to grab about 100 pips for today. What? Right? We talked about grabbing at least 100 pips for today on GBPJPY. Anyway, GBPJPY actually gave us about 300 pips bullish move. Well, that is about 400 pips bullish move, by the way. So today we had about 400 pips bullish move. That was a massive bullish move for today. And we talked about grabbing at least 100, 100 and 100 and 100, about 100 and 120 pips. Well, that is it. Price has given us that bullish move. So the next day, what are we going to be expecting? Well, currently this price is, kind of unpredictable, right? Because I think this GBP JPY needs to drop further down. Because the reason why I'm saying such is that if you are to take a look at our JPY index, you see that this JPY is actually on a bullish move. You clearly can see an higher highs and an higher lows. So if you take a look at this to be an highs and this will be seen to be a pullback, a new high is being formed here, right? And a pullback here. If you take a look at it, a new high has been formed that took out the previous highs. Now this is a pullback. So what we will be expecting is another new highs that needs to be formed that will take out this previous highs. Though we might not be able to take out this previous highs, though we might not be able to make new highs this week, this previous highs might not be taken out this week. At least by next week, we should be able to see that bullish move that will take out this previous highs on this JPY index. So that is why this price currently for the next day, if you have to predict it, is a bit difficult, because when you go to the 4-hour time frame, you see movement like this, something like a price rejected here, then you add a bullish move, then a price rejected here. So let's see if this price will actually push up, because I believe once it gets to this level here, which is the highs, I strongly believe that there will be a rejection that will drop. I strongly believe, because price has reacted to the same level, we expect price to also react to the same level again. So expect price to come tap this level on the forward time frame before dropping. So this is one of the reasons why I would see this GBPJPY. Let's go to the forward time frame. Something like this on the forward time frame. Maybe price should actually drop down at least to a level of 157. Then once this JPY index starts dropping, as this JPY is dropping, then we should kind of like expect a bullish move on this GBP to JPY. So let's see this JPY first come to this level. Let's find a rejection at this level, because definitely price will react at this level if it manages to come up. So once it can come at this level, which is 862.7, let's tap that level. So if price can get to that level, then definitely JPY will actually drop. Once it's dropped, then I can assure you that GBP to JPY will push up. So let's kind of watch out for like a pullback to level of 157. Maybe then we cannot take our buy again to level of 160 or 161. So it just depends on how you want to take the trade for the next day.